There's no substitute for hands-on experience, but for most of students, real-world tools can be cost prohibitive. That's why GitHub created the GitHub Student Developer Pack with some of its leading partner companies like Microsoft, Canva, DataCamp, more than 100 plus companies. Hey everyone, I am Sourabh Bhatt. In this video, I will be talking about an amazing opportunity for all college students to learn any tech skills for free. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, because in the end I have a motivation line for you. Do make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This opportunity is offered by GitHub Education, named as GitHub Student Developer Pack. In this pack, you will be able to get $100 as your credits for free. You will be able to learn web programming, you will be able to design your website, you will be able to learn designing, you will be able to learn game development, app development, and a lot more than that. Trust me guys, it is an amazing opportunity for all students. You can get ahead in your career and get access to all these developer tools for free with this GitHub Student Developer Pack. All you need to do is just get a student email ID from your college and sign up on the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Once you click on the link given in the description, you will be redirected on this page. Just click on now sign up for Student Developer Pack. You will be redirected to the student benefits page. There are certain criteria of getting this scholarship or getting this pack. You must be currently enrolled in a degree or diploma getting course, or you must have a college or your school verified email address. If you have your student email ID issued by your college, then you will quickly get this student developer pack within some seconds. Or if you do not have, then you can upload your identity or your mark sheet. Then it will take something around 30 to 45 days for granting, because they will check manually. Or you must have a GitHub account and your age must be greater than 13 years old. These are certain criteria of getting this scholarship. Add your college issued email address here and then click on add. Then it will ask how do you plan to use GitHub. Then you just simply write I need for my projects or whatever you want to write and continue. Once you sign up for the GitHub Student Developer Pack with your college issued email address, within few seconds you will be redirected on this page. This page is briefing about every features that you are getting into this GitHub Student Developer Pack. You are getting so many features in this Student Developer Pack. You are able to learn cloud, design, developer tools, game development, machine learning, so many things. So the list of features you are getting in the Student Developer Pack is very long. So I am just going to talk about some amazing features that you are getting in the Student Developer Pack. So you can see you will be getting free 12-month subscription of Canva Pros. I am using Canva Pro for 1 month only after getting Student Developer Pack. I'm using it for my YouTube channel thumbnails, for designing my college posters, and for my college society certificates. So it is very useful for beginners into the designing. You will be able to get 1 year domain name registration on the .me with SSL certificate. You will be able to get perfect IDs for coding. I'm using PyCharm Professional only after getting Student Developer Pack. So it is very amazing. You will be able to get $100 free Azure and DigitalOcean credits for deploying your machine learning models. You will be able to get 6 months free access of 60 plus courses on Educative to learn so many technical skills. And you will be able to get 1 free year domain registration with SSL certificate. You will be able to get complete access of Bootstrap Studio. You will be able to get complete access of GitHub pages to host your projects, to host some websites, and GitHub Pro. You will be able to get all the features available on the GitHub Pro. You will be able to get 3-month free access of DataCamp to learn data science, machine learning, and so many data science related skills. So again, it is a very amazing opportunity for all college students. As you can see, the list is very long, so I'm not going to explain about everything. Just see here guys, you are getting so many things for free. So you must apply for this Student Developer Pack and enjoy all the benefits Learn as much as you can. Learn all in-demand tech skills. I hope you like this particular video. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Share this video with your all friends. Motivation line for this video is a proverb by the 16th President of America, which says, "The best way to predict your future is to create it." Which means future cannot be predicted, it can be invented. The only thing we all need is a clear vision to our goals with a proper determination. So let's start creating our future. Thank you.